Hello everyone, it's the Ravishing Rachel at Autoline Toyota in Niagara Falls, and today we're going to be going on a virtual test drive of the new 2023 Tundra Hybrid Platinum. So I'm just going to go over some quick key features that are offered in the Platinum package, and then we're going to go for a fun drive. One of the main key features, people love the huge 14-inch screen. It's all touch, compatible with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You do have a wireless charger. Cooled seats in the front and the rear, which is very awesome on a very hot day like today. Of course, your heated seats, heated steering wheel. My favorite, we have the full panoramic roof. The Platinum also gives you the digital heads-up display, so it projects like your direction and your kilometer and speed right here on the dash, so you don't have to look down here. And it'll also activate any safety features and show you in the glass as well, such as your lane assist and pre-collision system. So extra audio and visuals to really get your attention if you're gonna get too close to the line or potentially, hopefully, not hit a vehicle or a person. So I'm just gonna reverse it off the rocks. Again, nice huge screen. It also gives you the 360 view monitor so you can see everything around you. So if you're bad at parking or reversing, you can be great at it. Whee! The Platinum package also gives you the proximity sensors in the front and the rear, so it lets you know when you're getting too close to an object. Again, it gives you a video as well as an audio alert as well. And you do have a front forward-facing camera too. I really love driving in the Tundras because for such a big truck, honestly, it's so smooth driving. It's like sitting in a couch. It handles really well. Very good visual points. I do love the digital rear view mirror as well, which you can also have on and active while you're driving. In the Platinum package, when you do come up to, say, a stop sign or a stoplight, it does give you a visual in front just so you know exactly your proximity to the vehicles in front of you. So right here, I can see my speed and my direction right there in the glass. I'm going to let my hand off the steering wheel and we are going to go close to a line, and it will steer me straight to keep me in the center. I'm going to activate the cruise control just by pushing the set button here. So my projected speed is going to be for 70 kilometers, and I have selected a minimum 3-car length between me and the cars in front of me. And it also will activate your lane centering assist. So we're going to drive a little bit without the hands, and there we go. It beeps and steers you directly back into the middle of the lane. Feels really nice and smooth going over train tracks and bumps in the road. I'm going to increase my speed, hopefully catch up to some of the vehicles in front of me so I can demonstrate how the dynamic radar cruise control works. So when your cruise control is on and active, you can pick how many car lengths or truck lengths you want between you and the cars in front of you. So as these vehicles are coming in front of me, I'm set for 80, but the truck's automatically slowing down to always maintain a safe distance between me and the vehicle in front of me. And again, it just does it all on its own, and it will also do full stops behind vehicles at stop signs and red lights. So here, they're slowing down, and I'm going to come to a stop right behind this vehicle. Again, when you're driving at lower speeds, it will activate your front forward-facing camera, so you always know exactly where you are in proximity to the vehicles or objects in front of you. Again, which starts on the Platinum package and up. One thing that I also really enjoy about the Tundras is their heated steering wheel is actually the whole steering wheel. Most manufacturers only have it heated here and here. I suppose technically where your hands are supposed to be on the steering wheel, but in the winter time, the Tundra will actually offer you the heated right up top. If towing is your main objective with the new Tundras, then I definitely recommend the Platinum package, as they do automatically come with the large towing mirrors, and our towing capacity is up to 12,000 pounds in the hybrid. We're going to test out the pre-collision system. Woo! Look at that. Got too close to the vehicle, coming up too fast. It advised me to brake. I did not brake in time, so this truck just braked for us to help us mitigate a rear end collision or avoid, which is awesome. All 2023 Toyotas do come compatible with the new Toyota app that offers Remote Connect, Drive Connect, Safety Connect, as well as Service Connect. Most packages do give you a free 3-year tutorial with the Remote Connect, which is quite awesome because you can actually start your car from your phone anywhere in the world as long as you have cell phone reception. But I could literally be in China and turn my truck on in my driveway in Fergus, Ontario. It might take a couple extra minutes, but it will work. And then up top here you have your SOS, so that is your Safety Connect button. So it's used to either contact Toyota Roadside Assistance, or if you're ever in an emergency, you hit that button and you will get an operator that directs you where you need to go. And heaven forbid, if you ever are in an accident and the airbags are deployed, you'll immediately get an operator, and if they don't receive a response from you, they assume the worst and will send out EMS services to the truck's GPS location. With the 360 monitor, there are different angles you can look at the truck. So it'll, for example, tell you exactly where you are, how close you are to the line. You can even see what's behind you and what's in front of you when you're at stop signs or red lights. And it has different angles as well. So you got a wide view. When you're in reverse, it does give you backup guides, so you know exactly where you need to go. On the Platinum package, which is the most ideal package for towing, it also gives you, when you're in reverse, a straight line path assist, so it's really easy to line up and hook up to your trailer. Okay, so we're back here at the dealership. So thank you everyone for coming on the virtual test drive for the 2023 Toyota Hybrid Platinum.